this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute Easter card using the Welcome Easter stamp set. I've got my materials ready here, and I'm going to start with this piece of mint macaron. It is 5.5 by 4.25, and I'm going to use a 1 3/4 punch to punch out 3 little peekaboo holes. So I've got my 3 holes. Now I'm going to stamp using the buffalo check background and some So Saffron to create a little background to go behind the cute critters. And I'm just going to ink this up upside down. And then I'm going to place this piece right on top, trying to line it up. I don't know if I did a good job that time, but you can put a piece of paper on top and then get your bone folder. Kind of it's kind of crooked, but it's going to be behind stuff, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Okay, so now I'm going to put dimensionals. Oh, I'm going to stamp this first. I'm going to stamp these cute little flowers all along here using mint macaron. I've got my cute little flowers. I'm just going to start them here in the bottom left-hand corner. And then in the upper right-hand corner. That one didn't get stamped. Well, no, it's best to leave it, or maybe I should just turn it around. Yep, we're gonna turn it around. Sorry, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. So now I will put dimensionals on the back. So I want to put a lot of dimensionals, definitely get the corners to support all these circles that I have punched out. That looks pretty good. And then I'll just remove the backings on all of these, and I'm going to attach it to my buffalo check stamped So Saffron piece of cardstock. And then it creates dimension to put the little critters in, which I've already stamped and colored, cut out this way. So I'm just going to lay that down. And now I'm going to put some dimensionals on all my critters. So we'll start with the little chick. So I colored the chick with Daffodil Delight, and then the beak with Pumpkin Pie, and then I did little cheeks with Flirty Flamingo. For the bunny, I colored the bunny with Crumb Cake. I'm gonna tuck his little feet in there, but I'm gonna leave his ears out. I should pull these ears out. Ding, 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 ding. There. And now the little lamb, I'm gonna pull this out too. I think it just looks cuter with them kind of popping out of the circles. And then just put the lamb down here. Okay, so now I'm going to attach this to the base of my card. Just using regular adhesive, snail adhesive. And it's just going to line up with the card. It is a little bit taller, so I'm just going to line it up with the top of the card, and then I'll trim the bottom of the card later. So there we go. And so now I'm going to stamp Happy Easter Sweet Friend on this little strip of ribbon. So I'll start with Sweet Friend since I have the mint macaron ink out, and I'll just stamp it over here in this corner, and then I'm going to trim it out. And then the Happy Easter I'm going to do in Melon Mambo. And I will just trim off the end of that one. It should fit pretty well. Happy Easter. Nice. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of trimming. I'm going to trim this end pretty tight. And then trim Sweet Friend. And then dimensionals go on these as well. So I'm just going to do 2 regular dimensionals on this and 2 mini dimensionals on this one. And then I'll adhere them to the card. So I'm going to adhere it over here. Happy Easter. Sweet Friend. Sweet Friend. Try to kind of tuck it in there a little bit. And then I have some little twine. I'm just going to tie a bow with the twine. And I'll just kind of pull it, trim it, and then I'll use a glue dot to attach it. I'll just kind of roll the glue dot up and then I'll put it in this corner over here, but not on the Sweet Friend. I think I got it on the Sweet Friend. There we go. There we go. Super cute. I love this card. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this card. Check out all my other video tutorials by subscribing to my channel right here. I think it's right here. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.